Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to tell you about top 5 programming languages in the world 2022. 5. R. R is a programming language for statistical and graphical programming. It is widely used among statisticians and data miners for data analysis. It holds profound importance in data analysis, financial domains, and telecom sectors. There is a huge shortage of people with expertise, and so learning this language can be a bright career choice. 4. Kotlin. Kotlin is a cross-platform programming language designed to develop apps. It is being used by more than 60% of Android developers. Kotlin beholds 4th place among the fastest growing programming language on several renowned indices. So if you are willing to build your career in Android app development, then learning Kotlin in 2022 is the best choice that you can make. 3. JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the world's most popular programming languages on the web. As per the survey, more than 97% of the websites use JavaScript on the client side of the web page. As per the latest statistics, 72% of companies are looking for JavaScript developers. Hence, learning JavaScript can be the most amazing decision that you can make in 2022 to fuel your career. 2. Java. Java is one of the most powerful programming languages that is currently used in more than 3 billion devices. Java is currently one of the most trending technology. It is used in desktop applications, mobile applications, web development, artificial intelligence, cloud applications, and many more. So learning and acing in this technology offers insanely high salaries, amazing growth opportunities, and global recognition. 1. Python. Python can be regarded as the future of programming languages. As per the latest statistics, Python is the main coding language for around 80% of developers. The presence of extensive libraries in Python facilitates artificial intelligence, data science, and machine learning processes. Currently, Python is trending and can be regarded as the king of programming languages. So learning this programming language in 2022 promises you success and growth. Thanks for watching my video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.